What if your display could look this good without constantly staying powered on? This is the reTerminal E1003 from Seed Studio, a 10.3-inch high-resolution ePaper display that can transform into a beautiful dashboard, photo frame, information panel and much more. But the real question is, how capable is it in everyday use? Let's find out. Before we get to the device itself, let's take a quick look at how Seed Studio has packaged it. The E1003 arrives in a clean, well-protected box, and even the back gives us a glimpse of what this display is capable of. You can build HMI interfaces in just 3 steps, choose from over 30 ready-made templates, and connect more than 100 live data sources. Now let's finally open the box and take a closer look at what Seed Studio has packed inside. First, there's a protective black cover sitting right on top, which helps keep the device secure during transportation. Once we remove it and open the packaging, the E1003 immediately makes a great first impression. The build feels clean and premium, and the large 10.3-inch ePaper touchscreen is definitely the highlight here. We get a USB Type-C cable for powering the device, along with the user manual to help us get started. There's also a small set of screws and a screwdriver included in the package. And finally, we have this rear mounting clamp, which is designed to securely hold the E1003 from the back. The rear body of the reTerminal E1003 is built with a solid high-quality finish that feels both durable and premium in hand. Its clean, minimal design gives the device a professional look, and from the front you can really appreciate how clean and premium the display looks. At the top we get 3 buttons. The 2 white buttons let us switch between screens, while the green button is used to refresh the display whenever needed. On the other side, we get a USB Type-C port, charging and battery indicator, followed by a convenient power on/off switch. And finally, there's a micro SD card slot for easy storage expansion. Now let's move on and activate the reTerminal E1003. I've also removed the protective film from the display, and the difference is instantly noticeable. It looks much cleaner and more premium. Up front, we have a sharp and monochrome touch display, giving the device a modern and interactive experience. So let's power it up. Let's start by connecting the reTerminal E1003 to Wi-Fi. You can use a laptop or smartphone for this setup, and I'm using my phone here. I'll connect it to the device's temporary Wi-Fi network, and once connected, the setup page automatically opens on my phone. From here, we need to select and connect the reTerminal to our local Wi-Fi network. I'll enter the Wi-Fi password, and as you can see, the connection is successful. Once the network setup is complete, the device automatically reboots. After restarting, we get a pairing code on the display, which we can use for the next step of the setup. It's time to register our reTerminal E1003 through the official website shown on the screen. First, we need to visit the website and create an account using our basic details. Once the account is created, we can simply log in and continue with the device registration. As you can see, I've successfully logged in, and the interface is quite straightforward and user-friendly. From here, we can register and manage our device directly through the platform. One interesting feature is that the website also provides a collection of ready-made images that you can use on your reTerminal E1003. You can select the content you like, or even upload your own images for a more personalized display. Now let's add the device. We'll tap the plus icon, enter a name of our choice, and then enter the pairing code we received on the dashboard. Once the code is verified, the reTerminal E1003 is successfully added to our account and ready to use. Now let's create a custom dashboard for the reTerminal E1003. I'll start by selecting New, choose the device model and confirm it. As you can see, the canvas starts completely blank, but creating a personalized layout here is surprisingly simple. We can add different widgets and arrange them exactly the way we want. I'll begin with a calendar, which can be customized according to our preference. Next, I'll add a clock, and one feature I really like is that these elements can be flipped and repositioned, giving us more freedom to create our own layout. For this setup, I've created a clean dashboard combining weather, time, calendar, charts, and other useful information. Once the design is ready, we simply click Apply, and here's the impressive part. The changes are pushed to the device almost instantly. Overall, the customization experience feels very straightforward, and the ability to build a dashboard around your own needs gives the E1003 a really polished and practical feel. And for makers and DIY enthusiasts, the possibilities go even further. You can explore it with Home Assistant dashboards, ESP32-based projects, LoT monitoring, and even custom smart home automation. This makes the E1003 much more than just an ePaper display. Honestly, I am really impressed with the overall design of the reTerminal E1003. Compared with the previous generation, this one feels noticeably more refined, premium, and feature-rich. What stands out to me the most is the 10.3-inch monochrome touch display. Once we apply a dashboard from the website, the content is pushed to the device automatically, so there's no need to manually transfer every design. After a short update, the display changes and the new dashboard appears directly on the screen. I've created different dashboard layouts with time, weather, calendar, charts, and other information, and switching between these designs makes the display much more versatile for everyday use. The touch functionality also makes interacting with the display much more intuitive, while the physical buttons give us quick control for switching screens and refreshing the display. And it's not just about the software, the hardware has also received a major design upgrade. The solid build, clean and organized controls and minimal profile give the E1003 a much more premium and modern appearance. Overall, compared with the earlier device, the E1003 feels like a significant step forward, combining a better-looking body, touch interaction, customizable dashboards, and a much more polished user experience. Powering the E1003 is a built-in 3000 mAh battery, giving you the freedom to use this display without keeping it constantly connected to a power source. It's designed to make the E1003 more convenient for flexible everyday use. So what did you think about the reTerminal E1003 and this complete project? I'd genuinely love to hear your opinion, so let me know in the comments, especially which feature you liked the most. Honestly, I really enjoyed working with this device. From its premium hardware design and responsive touch display to the customizable dashboards and easy setup, the overall experience has been quite impressive. If you're interested in getting the reTerminal E1003 for yourself, I'll leave the purchase link in the video description. There's also a special 5% discount available for my viewers. You can check out all the details there and decide if it's the right fit for your setup. And with that, we're wrapping up today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more electronics DIY projects and interesting tech. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, stay creative, and love you guys.